When I too, as a student here at University of Hawaii Manoa, was too busy, I would come near the vending machine kiosks, and unfortunately I would too indulge in a high fructose corn syrup saturated liquid beverage choice, and I would gladly use the microwave to heat up some home food before going to my next class. I'm disappointed as a generational master beekeeper that none of the choices, even now, feature anything made in Hawaii or with the Hawaii quality seal or the small batch buy local campaigns that we have from our agriculture department here in Hawaii. I wish that honey was featured. For example, honey in sticks or in small bears could be bought and eaten instead of candy bars. Candy bars and honey both have calories, but honey is the only food that boosts the immune system. Honey is the only food that is a value add for nutritional value.